Hello students, myself Dr. Anila Paloda. Today we will study about the plant hormone auxin. So firstly we should understand that what are the plant hormones. Plant hormones are the signal molecules that produced at specific locations that occur in very low concentration and cause altered processes in the target cells at other locations. So, auxin is a plant hormone which causes the elongation of cells in shoots, and it is involved in regulating the plant growth. At first, auxin is isolated by the scientist Wendt in 1926. He was successfully isolate it from the Avena coleoptile tips. And this test is known as Avena curvature test. This is the structure of auxin. Auxins can be occur naturally, or we can made it in the synthetic also. Natural auxin is indole acetic acid. Here are some synthetic auxins that produced artificially, and in the concern of their physiological activity they are similar to the natural auxins. Some of the synthetic auxins are IPA, IBA, NAA, 2,4-D and 2,4,5-T. Auxin is synthesized through the tryptophan by three different pathways. Through the IPA pathway, that is indole 3 pyruvic acid, through the deamination and decarboxylation reactions. Second pathway is the TAM pathway, that is tryptamine formation. Then it is converted into indole 3 acetaldehyde and then converted into indole acetic acid. Third pathway is the IAN pathway. In this, intermediate compounds are indole 3 acetaldoxime and indole 3 acetonitrile. It is then converted into indole acetic acid. Here are some functions of auxin hormone. That is, first main function is it shows apical dominance. Apical or terminal buds of many vascular plants are very active, while the lateral buds remain inactive. Removal of apical buds promotes lateral buds to grow. Apical dominance is due to much higher auxin content in the apical buds. This is the apical bud and here are the lateral buds. If we in presence of this apical bud, lateral buds can't able to grow, but if we remove this apical portion, then the lateral buds will grow. Second is the phototropism. Phototropism is the phenomena that some parts of the plant bends towards the light. Plant bend towards unilateral light, and this is due to the higher concentration of auxin on the shaded side. Next function is root initiation. Application of indole acetic acid to cut end of a stem promotes the root formation. Root initiation can be started by using auxins in plant tissue culture also. Next function is control or prevention of abscission. Abscission doesn't occur in the portions where auxin content is very high, and it is low in the proximal end of abscission zone. Next function, that auxin induces the parthenocarpy. So it's all about the functions of auxin. Thank you.